is up, my friends? It's me, Taylor, back with another digital illustration. Actually, this video isn't even digital illustrations. I'm doing something different this video, okay, you guys? Today we're taking a little break from the digital illustrations. Okay, like we love digital illustrations, but like we need something different. We need to spice it up a bit, get some new vibes in there, okay? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make what do I even call it? Like VSCO, Pinterest, aesthetic inspired mood board, dream board, collage. There's just so many things you could call it, and you can just make it your own in so many ways, you know, add your own little twist on it. But I'm just gonna be showing you the basics of how to make a collage basically on the app picsart. So that's the app that I'm using in this video, and the collage is 90s baby themed. I am a 90s baby, if you were wondering. I'm kind of like a fake 90s baby because I was born in 1998. So like, do I remember the 90s? No. But do I call myself a 90s baby? Yes. But I'm gonna get right into the video because it's super juicy, super fun, and I just can't wait for you guys to see it. Before I get into the video, first of all, just follow my Instagram, okay? I just post so much good content on there, and I would hate for you to miss it. So pause this video, go follow me on Instagram, and then we can get right into making our 90s baby themed VSCO vibes mood board collage.
Okay guys, so here I am in my Picsart app, and I'm scrolling down to the colored backgrounds, and then I am cropping the background to the YouTube size just because I'm using this for my thumbnail, but you can crop it to any size you want, a square for Instagram, whatever. I just imported my photos. You can only import 10 photos at a time, which kind of sucks, but like 10 is enough. And now I am putting that cow background to the back by touching that layers button at the top and pressing move down until it goes under all the pictures until it's at the back of the screen and all the other pictures are on top of it. So that's how I put the background in. And now I'm kind of organizing my pictures on so like the ones that I'm putting on the left side, I'm not going to crop or adjust or anything. So I'm just kind of getting those out of the way. So the first one that I'm adjusting is this quote one, the pink with the red and white writing. And what I'm going to do is press the eraser tool, which is at the top. It's like the half white, half black box. Or it's like a rectangle, and I'm just erasing around it. The closer you zoom in, the more crisp the lines are. So you want to zoom in really close to get the lines really crisp, because if you do it from far away, it's like not as crisp of lines. So I'm just kind of rounding it out, as you can see with the eraser tool. And if you mess up, there's like I just did it. It's called restore, and you can like go back over and bring like the part of the picture that you erased back. So that's how you kind of give the collage like that really good collage look. So like all the pictures aren't just like squares and rectangles. That's how you kind of overlay pictures over each other, and it makes it look really cool, and it's super easy too. I use Picsart. I'm sure there's a lot of different apps that you can use. I've just used Picsart for years, so that's what I stick with. But basically, yeah, that's the technique that I will be using on all of these other photos that I am adjusting. So really simple and easy. So I'll just let you guys watch me do that. So now that I finished making all my pictures how I wanted them to look, I'm going to just start, arranging them in a collage form. And this is just a tip I have, very important, that I would mess up all the time when I first started doing this. See that button in the top corner that says apply? Literally never press that until you are completely finished with the collage. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm just stupid or if Picsart is actually just like not easy to work with, but it like once you press apply, you cannot change anything, and you literally have to start over again. I've made that mistake way too many times, so I just wanted to put that out there because it will literally ruin your whole thing and you'll have to start over. So yeah, I learned from experience. So now that I have the pictures arranged, this is like the fun part. You're going to press sticker on the bottom. I mean, like if you want to add stickers, I feel like they add so much to the pictures. But I have all these saved, so you can save them. You can pretty much search anything you want, like gold stars, pink flowers, smiley faces, like literally anything. They have so like unreal, like so many options. And then if you want to save them, you just double tap and it'll save, so you can like use them over and over again and not have to search for them. So I just saved a bunch of these like 90s retro fun vibe stickers to use, and I just saved them so I wasn't, searching through everything during this entire video. But I'm just placing those stickers all over, and it's really nice because a lot of them are transparent in the background, so like you don't have to make the transparent background yourself, like they already did it for you. And there's literally just so many options, and they just make the collage look so dope, like on top of the pictures and stuff. Like as you can see, like with every sticker, in my opinion, it's just getting better and better, and I just love it. I love a good messy, really busy collage. So I'm adding probably like 10 or 12 of these stickers, and they just really add a lot. So that's a feature that I love about picsart, is that they have all of these like free images for you to use that like other people already made and submitted that you can use. So really cool. Another tip I wanted to mention, just how you can erase like parts of the picture. You can erase parts of the sticker too. So like with that heart sticker, there were like 5 hearts on it, but I only wanted that one heart. So I can just erase the other ones and just use that. So that's really nice too, because a lot of the stickers will have like multiple things in them. And if you don't want some of them, you can just erase them and do whatever you want. So it's really like customizable and versatile. So that's another little tip I wanted to give you guys. So I am pretty much finished with the collage now. I think it looks so good. You can't even really see the cow background, which I'm kind of upset about because I love like the cow print vibe, but it's fine. I'm just putting some final touches on the picture and making sure everything is perfect. And here is the final collage.
Okay guys, that is it for the 90s baby collage. I hope that you learned a little some from this. If you guys make collages, please DM me. Oh my god, I would literally love to see that. So yeah, send me your collages if you make them. Oh my god, I would literally love to see it. Okay, and maybe I'll repost them on my story. Oh, also, if you guys want to see more videos like this or more like photo edit type videos in addition to my digital illustration videos, let me know, because photo edits is honestly like where I started with like my digital art vibe stuff. So let me know if you want to see videos on that, because I do have some tips and tricks for you in that category as well. And don't forget to follow my IG to see behind the scenes content, fun stuff on my stories. I post every day. You know the vibes over there, okay? And also check out my website, because on there I interview social media influencers, small business owners, and just give you like the rundown of what it's like to run a business or like run a successful social media account. So you can check that out as well. It will be linked in the down bar. And of course, leave me a comment. I love reading your guys' comments. Leave me a video suggestion. DM me on Instagram. I reply to all my DMs. I reply to all my comments. So feel free to do that if you wanna chat with me. And now I will get into my shout out of the video. Hi guys. Okay, so I have to do my shoutouts on like my MacBook camera because I have to show you guys it on my phone. I think that her name is Patricia. That's how it's pronounced, but I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But she DM'd me and she was like, because of your video and your Instagram post, I tried doing digital illustrations, and we just chatted on there for a little bit, and she sent me this photo that she did. Okay. She sent me this photo that she did. It's literally amazing, so gorgeous. But yeah, we chatted on there for a little bit. Love you, girl, Patricia, my girly. But that is my shout out of the week. I actually only picked one this week. Sorry, I know I've been picking like 3 a week because I just can't decide, but today Patricia's work was just speaking to me, and that's the one that I picked. So that brings us to the end of the video. Hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys on Instagram or in my next video. Bye!
You got it, girl, you got it.